Indexable insert clamping is the most challenging small screw application because it's open and closed again and again. This frequent use causes the following problems: frequently wearing out of the area where screwdriver meets the screw, fracture at the screw neck leaving behind the threaded stub of the screw inside the cutter. All this results in increasing tool downtime, frequent screw replacements, damaging expensive cutters, and damaging components being machined. Eturnal Screws introduces a patented insert clamping screw, a breakthrough solution to solve these age-old problems. Insert screws are relatively soft, so it wears out within a few uses. Eturnal Screws has a patented dual hardness design. This area where the screw meets the screwdriver is made of extremely hard steel of 60 HRC to resist wear from constant screwdriver contact, but the rest of the screw is soft, around 20 HRC, so that it does not damage the cutter body threads. Also, the screw is made of ultra high strength steel that does not break easily like a normal screw. We put a regular screw and Eturnal screw heads to a filing test to show the difference in their hardness. As you can see on the left, the regular screw wears out easily because it is soft. On the right, the Eturnal screw. It lasts 3 to 5 times more than the best screw available on the market. But the rest of the Eturnal screw is soft. As you can see, the file wears out the screw body. Eturnal screw is made of ultra high strength steel, so it does not break inside the cutter. To show this, we put a regular screw and Eturnal screw through a strength test by twisting it. On the left, the regular screw breaks instantly upon twisting. On the right, the Eturnal screw lasts almost a full rotation before breaking. This eliminates screw breaking problems inside the cutter. We also recorded what happens when Eturnal screw and a regular screw is used multiple times. The regular screw was unusable after 10 uses, but the Eturnal screw can be used over and over. After 40 uses, the Eturnal screw is still usable. Get the Eturnal screw to decrease replacement costs, reduce tool downtime, and increase productivity.